welcome back to Gantuti Plans. This is Carmen. If you are new here, welcome, and if you're returning, thank you so much for coming back. Here in my channel, I show you guys how I decoratively and I functionally decorate my planner spreads for the weeks and for the months. And today I'm going to be decorating my monthly spread in my classic vertical happy planner that I use as a catch-all planner. Here in my monthly spread, I basically put down everything from birthdays, bills due, appointments, everything goes on to the monthly here. And then as the weeks go on throughout the month, I transfer the information from here onto my weekly spreads. So I'm gonna go ahead and decorate this for the month of August. And I'm going to be using stickers from Designer Chameleons, her neutral study supply sticker sheet here. This is a functional page. And here is the decorative page. This comes as a sticker set along with the metallic clips sticker sheet. I thought that the paper clips and the binder clips were perfect. Since August, most students, not all, but most students are heading back to school. I figured I'd do some kind of school supply or study supply theme here. And along with these stickers, I'll be using the stickers from Mojo Jojo Plans, Autumn Boxes, just because I found that the sticker colors from the boxes here match this sticker kit. So let's go ahead and get to planning. All right, so here I always like to start off by putting in the functional boxes first. I do have a sheet here on the side kind of outlining all the days of the month, and I can go ahead and reference it to see where I need to put my boxes. So I do know that for the first I do have 2 payments. So I'm going to go ahead and look through here and find some stickers that may coordinate. I'm gonna bring in my deco sheet here, this one here, and see what stickers match. So how are you guys doing today? I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you're happy and that you're healthy and that everything is going well for you and your family. I have a lot of doctor's appointments coming up this month. I know that, and appointments for my husband as well, so we've got lots of that going on. Okay, right away I see here that this green matches this backpack and this pencil pouch, so we're gonna go for those. Okay, so, and it's this green, it's more like a greenish brown, I think. So we're gonna take those 2 of that color, and then on the first here we're gonna put these in. Spread them out a little bit. Okay, so I guess I'm gonna make the greenish color the bills boxes, and then I'm gonna look here, see what else catches my eye. We do have this color here in the glasses, and then in another functional box that I see here. So maybe we can make those into the appointment boxes. All right, so I have to take a look here. My husband has a follow-up appointment on the 9th. So I'm gonna put that down, and let's see what size boxes we have. Yeah, I have these, I think I have several of those. I'm gonna check before I start using them. Yeah, I think I have several of these. So we'll go for this size. So he has an appointment there on the 9th. Put that down. Oh, and I have one birthday to notate for this month. It's my mom's birthday. So I need to remember to put that in. Yeah. I don't think I like how this one's far to the left. I'm going to try to center it a little more, or lift it up and put it back down. I'm gonna center it. Let's see here. There we go, I like that better. So we have my husband's appointment there, and then I have to go do some blood work for my appointment. So that has to be like a week out. So let me go ahead and notate that with a smaller sticker here. And I believe my appointment is the next Thursday. So grab a same colored box, but just a different size. Okay, so here we go. Okay, there we go. And then my mom's birthday is on the 19th. I need to find a box in that color. In a different color, I mean. Let's see. There's like a dusty purple color that I'm looking at, and that's the one I want to get, but I don't see one that color. I can bring in like a gray. I don't think I have gray in this book here, but I do have one in another Mojo Jojo book. I'll bring it right now. Oh, these are for Halloween. Okay, let me go get that. Okay, in this Mojo Jojo Plans Neutral Boxes book, I do know I have some grays that I can bring in. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull those, but I don't know which gray it is that I wanna pull in. So let me see, I have these here, so this can be kind of like a guide. Or I can just bring in black too. Let me see what else I see in here. I like this light gray, so that's the one I'm gonna pull for. And I'm going to see if I can find a small box like this. And then bring up this one, and Mom's birthday is here. Her birthday lands on a Monday, so we may have to celebrate it the weekend before or the weekend after. We'll see. All right, I'm gonna set this book to the side because I'm going to be focusing on that yellowish color and the greenish color. So those are gonna be the ones I found in this book here. So then I have another appointment on the 29th. Okay. And so we'll take this one here. And this isn't two different doctors. This doctor actually moved location, so I'll be going to a different location for that doctor, and I might have to leave early for that appointment just to make sure I find the new doctor's office location. All right, and then for right now, that's all that I know, and usually my other bills, I start to put them in once I get a due date for them, but right now I don't have that. So because we put in as much as we know now, we can go in with our deco. So I'm thinking I want to put the big stickers on this side here. So the backpack seems to be the biggest sticker, so I want to put it in the center. Let's do it here. And then we can do the laptops. Do one here like this, and then I can do another one facing this direction like this. Okay, and then we can do the stack of books here, and then this open book can go at the very top over here. I am going to white out the note section because I'm obviously not going to be notating any notes there. Okay, so then we can do that. And bring in some glasses, of course. We'll do a black set here on top of the books there. And then we'll bring in this color and put it right here. Okay, and that's our sidebar. Super excited about that. And then we can bring in these other big ones to this other side here. So let's do like this. I don't think anything's going to be going on the 31st, but if it does, I can just put a box over it. Let's see. Let's do like this. And then we'll bring in some glasses, of course. We'll do a black set here on top of the books there. And then we'll bring in this color and put it right here. Okay, and that's our sidebar. Super excited about that. And then we can bring in these other big ones to this other side here. So let's do like this. I don't think anything's going to be going on the 31st, but if it does, I can just put a box over it. Let's see. Let's do, maybe I can put this going this way. I just don't want to cut off the lid, because if you get rid of that, you're not going to really know what that was. So let's do this like this. We'll put it here. That's better. Let's do the markers. Do a set of markers. Do the markers. Do them like this. This set can, yeah, just go like that, and then this like that. Where else could we put this other set of markers? I don't know. We'll leave that for now. Okay. And then we've got all these paper clips. So let's see. We can put little mini paper clips on the appointments. I think that would look cute. The appointments, got the little paper clip. This paper clip went down crooked. That's gonna bother me. I'm gonna reposition that. Okay. And then we'll put down one more for here. Okay. Then let's try a paper clip on here. Okay. And then I think that's good for now on the paper clips. See if I want to add anything else from the deco sheet here. Now I do have some items here too on the second page, like some little candles. Those would be nice. That's a big handle and like proportion to that. So let me see here. We can do this like that. And then maybe one down at the bottom over here. Hopefully nothing's going on the 27th. Okay. And then the quote here says, never regard study as a duty, but as the inviolable opportunity to learn. Where could I put that quote? That's a great quote. I just don't know where I could put it. Maybe across the entire top part here. I don't know if it'll fit. Let me see. Yeah. Huh. Never regard study as a duty. I'm going to put it across over here. Hopefully it'll stay as a duty. There we go, there's the quote. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take my scissors and just clean up this section here. Everything else looks like pretty much it stayed inside the pages, with a few exceptions, a few stickers that may have made it out. Okay, right here. I think I want to put these across the bottom over here somewhere, just for fun. This one can go here. And if something comes up, I can still put boxes in there. There, and then maybe this one can go on the other side of it like that. There we go. Awesome. And I have one more set of glasses. One more set of glasses. I've got glasses on this side, glasses. I got 2 of them over here. So then maybe I want to do this right there. Okay, and then the Designer Chameleon logo sticker. We can put that down here in the books, where the books are. All right, and I know it seems a little plain now, but usually this monthly spread gets full quick with a lot of plans that, like I said, come up. Right now, these are just a few boxes that I put in because that's what I know is coming up. But then as the month gets closer and as we start going through the days, things become a little more concrete and clear, so I start to fill this up. But for now, it is ready for August and all of the plans that are going to be coming up. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like, subscribe, so that you can be notified of my future videos. Thank you so much for your support, and I can't wait to see you guys all in the next one. Bye!